Police in San Antonio are trying to piece together a bizarre death in which a woman got out of her own car and then became crushed underneath it. The 50-year-old woman, whom police did not identify, was killed in front of Churchill High School on Thursday morning, MySanAntonio.com reports. San Antonio Sgt. Javier Salazar said police are looking into whether there was a second passenger in the car, but there is evidence that the woman may have been driving. The car apparently stopped after the woman got out and then made a U-turn on its own, MySanAntonio.com reports. There's various theories circulating as to why she got out of the car, Salazar said. That's all under investigation.